Hi everyone. Today we will learn why we use a for loop to draw a square in Python Turtle. A square has 4 equal sides. Each turn the turtle makes is 90 degrees. Let's see how we can draw a square without a loop. Python import turtle me equal turtle. Turtle, me, forward 100, me. Right, 90, me. Forward 100, me. Right, 90, me. Forward 100, me. Right, 90, me. Forward 100, me. Right, 90. This works, Sarah. But we had to write the same 2 lines 4 times. That's a lot of typing. Now let's draw the same square using a for loop. Python import turtle me equal turtle. Turtle, for in range, 4, me. Forward 100, me. Right. This does the same thing, but with less code. It tells the turtle, do this 4 times. Using a loop is faster, cleaner, and easier to change. If we wanted a triangle, we could just change the number to 3. If we wanted 6 sides, we change it to 6. So why use a for loop? We write less code, it's easier to read. We can change it quickly. It helps us avoid mistakes. That's why for loops are so useful when drawing shapes. Thanks for learning with me. Now you can try drawing your own shapes using loops. Have fun and see you next time.